All right, everybody, welcome. I'm François-Laurent Chabot, the General Manager from Rothoblaas Canada. So just a brief introduction. Rothoblaas Canada, we're an Italian-based company with a subsidiary across the globe. So I know many of you design projects that goes into other countries. So we have the teams and the products to support you wherever your project is going to. We are present in more than 70 countries. What Rothoblaas does, basically we design, manufacture and distribute high-tech solution for timber building, passive house and energy efficient and prefab panels companies. The range of product that we have in our portfolio is fasteners, which are screws, post base, connectors, a bit of everything for your seismic design. We have also a range of air tightness and waterproofing solutions, so tape membranes, sealants, anything that you will need to do your building envelopes. We have a soundproofing range also to do better building into the sounds and help the occupant to have a better feeling in the buildings. We have also some fall protection lines to attach yourself, guardrails, anything that you need for fall protection on your buildings, and a range of tools to make those buildings come to life. What you can find from our website, we've got a lot of support. So we have some BIM and CAD's library that architects can use and put into their drawings, detailings. We have a lot of products data sheets, product video that are very nice. You can watch them and help you all to install those product tips and tricks. And a lot of information in those videos. We have catalogs, of course, that you can find in the website in digital format. This bring us to our blogs. We have a blogs with live project that we've done across the globe, so it can inspire you a little bit. We talk about some hot topics and very technical way. We have like a ventilated facade that is something here that can interest you. Some detailing of window installation, how to tape, how to make sure this is waterproof. This brings us to one of our nice membrane that I see more and more people designing with these days. It's our variable vapor diffusion membrane. This will be called our climate control in our range. What those membranes do is, especially for Canada, they will replace your barrier that you put inside your wall, basically. And what those do is that they interact between the season and they change, so they will open or close to the vapor. So it allows your wall to dry over the seasons, and instead of having a little puncture where all your vapor of your building try to go in and create some moisture pocket, basically it will be distributed along all your walls or all your membranes. Those membranes, we see more and more usage for them, especially with everything that is cellulose, hemp fiber, anything that is organic that react more to waters. Also, we have a range of monolithic or microporous membranes. Rothoblaas offer both depending on your project. We can align you a little bit more on what's the best for you. The difference between the two that exists out there is microporous are more present in the market. They are based on two cross fiber. That's how the vapor is diffused between the membranes. And we have some monolithics also that are made more of a liquid membrane, and the vapor pass through chemical interaction. Monolithics will bring some good benefits to your building, especially if you have a more high-rise type of thing, because they will be more strong to wind tear. They will resist longer in their lifetime and to UV reaction. So if you have a building that are exposed for a long time during construction, they will give a better resistance to UV. And what we see also with a ventilated facade in front of a high-rise building, they will react way less to fire. Basically, microporous membrane will tend to spread into fire due to the low grammature. And when you go to monolithic membrane, because they are more heavier products, they will kind of stop the flame. So you will need to have a continuous flame to make it burn, basically. So that has a big advantage, and it's also a topic. What we can do in-house in Rothoblaas, we have a lot of machine and lab to do testing and develop either a proprietary different product for your project. We can adapt or test if you have a specific application. We can all do that in-house. We also have a worldwide network that we partner with university to do research, always stay up to date on all those topics. And we have a lot of them actually here in Canada, where we keep the work and the studies going on. So that's it. Thank you for your attention.